Hi guys! Today we are going to be learning something exciting. Ready? Now let's start. So, let me just show you what we're going to be learning about. The wonders of nature. How about we just review? It's all about, I'll show you what it has in it. It has animals, minerals, and it also has plants. So, all in one Wonders of Nature book. So, right now we're going to be learning about a plant that I don't think anyone has ever learned about. It's called the dragon's blood tree. Let me go find it for us. Wait, am I going too far? Contents. Dragon's blood tree, 80. Aha, here we go. I'm going to go a little further back so you guys all see, or fronter, who can tell. Anyways, when I said tail, I meant tell, not tail. So, my mistake. Now, Dragon's blood tree, I'll tell you the legend that people say about it. People say that there was a fight with a dragon and an elephant, and blood trickled down. That's where the fight was. So where the tree is, that's where the fight was. But they say it's out in the open, an open island. Adventurers went there before. So maybe we should just get back to it, which is, I don't know where, as I lost it. Wow, Divya. Okay, so here is the writings. Let me just go closer. Ooh, that much must have been. Now you can, if you are now, if you can read all this. So you must have read it really good. Now let's read the bottom. I bet you read it pretty good. So, you guys read, now we're going to review the most specialist thing. Again, so we are going to review the dragon's blood care. Okay, so it smells really awful. Before you gulp it all up, you need to bring it with water, 2 drops. So, you may read. Well, review. Now, if you buy it, remember what I said. Make sure you always watch this video before you even take a big gulp of it and swallow everything. So, the dragon's blood tree is very looking like an upside down umbrella. Now, if we find it again, how about I just mark it? So if we can find it again, I promise you that I will tell you something really cool. Aha! So I mark it. So if you have something like this, if you have a really bad injury in your belly, then remember what I said, 2 drops with water. So 3 things you need to remember. Actually, there are 2 things, which is 2 drops, so that is 2 things. 2 things to remember. So, just to tell you, now this is the really cool thing. So whoever takes its inside, whoever takes it, that inside will protect the one who took it. Cool, huh? So, this is really cool. Thank you for coming. This isn't the longest video. I actually don't remember which one is. So, how about we just look into the front again? Voila, wonders of nature. Look into the back. Oh, remember that mushroom one we did? I showed you one in there. So let's go back to the dragon's blood. I've got it marked down, so it should be easy to find. Aha! So the dragon's blood on every branch has a little flower, as you see. It's very thick and very in the stomp. It's very like grayish tree-like. But on the top, when there are branches, then it comes to like an orangey. Well, you can try to find this, and I really hope you do. Now let's say goodbye. Meet me on the next video. Remember what I said, remember everything, and watch this video again some other time.